Good morning. We're on the way to the beach again today. So my baby can play to the beach. Hi. See you later. Hey guys. I'm not sure if it was a good idea to take the scenic route, which is the forest. I hope I did the right decision to do it, because this is actually the first time I did it, so I don't know if I'm gonna find my way, but I'm hoping there's only one way, that I don't need to choose left or right. Otherwise I'm in big trouble. It's 3 kilometers more, guys, and we are at the beach now. Woohoo! Really good, baby? Yeah? Beside or by? Oh, okay guys, I have to choose between left and right here. Oh, here. There's a car in here? You think so? Okay, let's go the other side. Okay guys, Google is telling us that we are 2 kilometers away. I also asked a mom who just came from the beach. She said we have to turn left after, so this should be good. You're okay? Are you sleeping? I think he is. He just finished eating his croissant, so probably he's sleeping now. Are we on the right way, baby? I let him wear long sleeve, guys, because I don't want him to be burned, because it was a long way to come here, and then he's gonna stay in the sun the whole day. Baby, come! Yeah! Another day in the hot sun. It's so warm, guys. Hey guys, Jens is now in the water, but the water is still very cold. now 3 o'clock.
I got this weight on my
People are coming in
shoulders, slowing
until
me
9.
down.